We all want to wake up with that glowing, clear skin that screams, "I drink 10 gallons of water a day," right? But let's be real. Sometimes we roll out of bed looking like we're extremely tired, despite how long we slept. That's why your nighttime skincare routine is everything. It's like tucking your skin into bed with all the good stuff so you wake up looking like a glowing princess. So grab your fluffy headbands, and let's get into the perfect skincare routine that will have you looking flawless every morning. Step 1. Remove makeup and sunscreen. First, we need to get rid of all the makeup, sunscreen, and whatever our face has been through today. Even if you don't wear makeup, your skin still collects dirt and oils, so skipping this step is a no-no. Especially if you're that girl who would just use makeup wipes and call it a day. No, bestie. That's like pushing dirt around your face. You deserve better. So grab a cleansing balm or micellar water, or an oil cleanser to really melt everything off. Step 2. Double cleanse. Now we're gonna make sure our face is really clean with a second cleanse. This is where you use a good gentle face wash that suits your skin type. Gel cleansers for normal or oily skin, cream cleansers for dry skin, and foaming cleanser for combination. Think of it like washing your hair. You shampoo twice, right? Same thing with your face, babes. One cleanse to remove dirt, and the second cleanse to actually clean your skin. Step 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliating helps get rid of dead skin, unclogs pores, and leaves you with that glassy, glowing skin. But don't overdo it. 2 to 3 times a week is enough, or your skin will come for you. Choose between a chemical exfoliant for a smooth and bright look or a gentle scrub for that fresh baby skin effect. Step 4. Apply toner. This step is like giving your skin a refreshing sip of water. It helps balance your skin's pH and preps it for the next steps. My faves are rose water for hydration, niacinamide for oil control, and witch hazel if my skin is acting up. Just don't use anything too harsh, okay? We're being gentle queens over here. Personally, I apply mine with my hands and not a cotton pad, because I feel like I'm wasting the toner when I use a cotton pad. But please let me know which one you prefer using in the comment section. Step 5. Apply serum. Serums are where the real magic happens. This is where you choose a superpower ingredient for your skin concerns. Vitamin C for brightening and fading dark spots. Hyaluronic acid for plump, juicy skin. Retinol for anti-aging and acne. But it's advisable to start using retinol when you're 23 and not below that. Make sure to start slow with these serums if you're new to them and use them separately, okay? We're not peeling our faces off today. Step 6. Eye cream. Now, we're not trying to have puffy, tired-looking eyes, so let's show some love to this delicate area. A little eye cream with caffeine or peptides can keep your under eyes looking fresh and snatched. And if you can't afford an eye cream, you can substitute it for a Vaseline. Just make sure you don't get too close to your eye. Step 7. Moisturize like your life depends on it. This step is non-negotiable. Whether you have oily, dry, or combo skin, you need a good moisturizer to lock everything in and keep your skin hydrated overnight. Gel-based ones are perfect for oily skin, and thick creams are great for dry skin. Step 8. Lip care. Your lips deserve love too. A hydrating lip balm or a lip sleeping mask will have you waking up with the softest lips ever. And again, if you don't have a lip sleeping mask, you can always substitute for a Vaseline. Step 9. Overnight mask or face oil. By the way, this is optional. But if you feel like your skin needs that extra boost, you can apply a hydrating overnight mask or a few drops of face oil for deep nourishment. Think of it as a bedtime treat for your skin. Bonus tips. Switch to a silk pillowcase to avoid wrinkles and hair frizz, and drink a glass of water before bed because hydration starts from the inside. And also don't forget your 8 hours beauty sleep. And that, my loves, is the ultimate nighttime skincare routine that's going to transform how you look the next morning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your must-have skincare product? Good night, besties. Sweet dreams and stay glowing.